Number series, so we have 5, 16, 49, 104. What is the next number? So to solve this, kunin lang natin yung difference nung 5 and 16. So subtract lang natin. 5 naging 16. So ibig sabihin 16 minus 5. So nag-add tayo ng 11. 5 plus 11 equals 16. So next, isubtract natin ito para makuha natin kung anong in-add. 9 minus 6, we have 3. 4 minus 1, we have 3. So nag-add tayo ng 33. Next, from 49, naging 104. So ano ang in-add natin? So we have, this will become 14 and then this will become 9. 14 minus 9, that is 5. 9 minus 4, we have 5. So therefore, the pattern is plus 11 plus 33 plus 55. So therefore, the next number, mag-add tayo ng 77. Okay, so therefore, we have 104 plus 77. So the next number is 4 plus 7. We have 1 carry 1. 1 plus 7 is 8. Bring down 1. 181. Letter D. Follow for more.